Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing a random haul from different places. OG PiinkSparkles coming at ya. You guys love my hauls, and if you guys want to see more hauls, there's always Sophie here when I'm filming. And calamari just died. Yes, I have a stuffed squid or octopus. He likes to go by both squid and octopus. His name's Calamari, okay? He's like, eat me. So if you guys want more hauls, I'm always doing hauls. I actually have a lot coming for hauls. I'm very excited. So if you do not want to miss them, hit the notification bell. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it is free. What are you doing? Hello! I can't do more hauls in the future if you don't subscribe, so make sure you do that. Help a girl out. I just served you nothing. My channel be like. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I got at Shoppers first. If you don't know what Shoppers is, it's like a, oh my god, I was gonna say it's like a convenience store. No, it's not. Like, do they sell they do sell chocolate bars. It's a convenience store, let's be honest. It's kind of like a CVS or a Rite Aid type thing. Canadian version. And they have all their Easter stuff out right now and it looks so cute. And I was like, you know what, I feel like I have to get something. So I got this because this is so cute. Spring cleaning is soon and I am going to revamp my beauty room where I display my makeup and my jewelry and stuff like that. So I thought this would be really cute to put in there for like maybe rings, earrings, studs, I don't know. But it's this really pretty unicorn and I really like the colors of this. And this was, oh my god, it doesn't say, but it was $6. They were already having like a 10 or 20% off sale. I was like, Easter's not even here. So I thought it was so cute. It's a little unicorn. Next, I went to Costco a while ago. So some of this stuff has been collecting for a while. And I got this men's extra large because I wanted it real big and baggy. Champion sweatshirt. And it doesn't have a hood. It's just like real big and open. I feel like this reminds me of like TikTok queens wear this a lot. If I was going to university, I'd have one of these with my university on it. I'm like reading a book on the way to class. I feel like that was the vibe of this, but it is Champion. And for it being Champion, it was very cheap. It was only $24.99. I feel like if you go buy Champion at the mall or something like that, it's gonna run you like $80, $90, sometimes even over $100 for Champion. So next time check Costco because you can get a really, really good deal. I wanted it super, super baggy to wear with boots and I just actually bought some summer boots, which I cannot wait to show you in another haul. So stay tuned for that. Okay, well, we're not gonna talk about things that aren't in this video, but I liked it. I liked it for summer. I mean spring. Too hot to wear in summer. Next up, I went to Marshall's. I'm so happy our city has a Marshall's. I say that, but yeah, I think this was like the second time I ever been there. This actually my mom bought me because I went with my mom here a while back. I was deciding on which one of these to get and I was like, you know what, I want it for my home. I don't really have many like decorations or anything. This isn't even a decoration, but it'll make my little coffee nook look cute with my espresso and stuff. And my mom was like, I'll buy this for you. I was like, so adorable. Looks like this. These are little coffee cups or espresso cups. What do they actually call them? Stackable espresso cup set. This stand will just hold up each of these and they're so cute. Here are the different designs on there. They had so many of these stackable espresso cups and I settled on these because I thought they were so cute and like timeless. Like these can look vintage. They can go with like kind of any look you're going for. So cute. Oh, and want to see what's even cuter? $7.99, honey. Then I got some makeup and this makeup, girl, crazy sales. So if you want some inexpensive makeup, Winners, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, you should go check it out because you never know what you can find for really cheap. The first thing on that list is a Becca foundation. So on their website, by the way, I operate in Canadian prices and on here it's $58. Is that Canadian? I think it is Canadian. So I got mine, the exact same one, brand new, for $14.99. I could have bought how many for the price of one original one. I am very, very bad at finding my color match, especially because I tan, so I'm like kind of shifting in between colors of foundation a lot. If I forget to tan for a week or if I'm too busy or if I don't want to go, I'll be lighter, but if I tan a lot or if I spray tan even or if I self tan, but I settled on Bisque. I feel like it's like a lobster. Whenever I hear Bisque, I'm like a lobster. I feel like I'm gonna be red and I'm like, oh my god. No calamari. No. No, I'm not cheating on you with a lobster. Just, like, mind your business. Here's the foundation. I wore Becca foundation a while back. I don't think it was this exact one, and I really, really liked it, though. So I was like, $14 for foundation. That's like drugstore price. So I'm gonna definitely get it, and this is not drugstore foundation. So, hi, queen of saving money. The bottle light feels like nothing really special. I want to see what kind of applicator it is. Oh, it's a pump. I'm so excited. I'm sick of using the poor ones. Poor ones. Two meanings for that. JK. I think this will match me well, I hope. I don't know. I'm very excited to try that out. $15. Next, I got an Anastasia liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna get the price up for this too, and we're gonna compare that. So on their website, the color that I got here is called Naked, and it says on Sephora it's a light peachy nude, and on their website, brand new, it's $26.50 for a single liquid lipstick. The exact same lipstick, I paid $7.99. Like, what? You literally can't beat that by. You can't beat that with a stick, girl, at this point. And this, oh my god, it's like my perfect color. And all of my liquid lipsticks, I've had them for a while, so they're starting to get like that grainy, it looks like you have super dry lips going on, so I kind of needed a new one, and this one is just a beautiful color. I pretty much created this lip color today on my lips, and this one is pretty much that, so I don't have to like mix and do everything like that. So here's the color of that. It definitely is just like a light peachy nude. Oh, we're saving money. And the last thing I got at Marshall's were these. These were in the clearance section. 24 bobby pins for, they're originally $8. They were on sale for $3. So I was like, why not? They're super glittery. I could wear them in specific updos, or I could wear them to like hide hair and stuff like that. Always need bobby pins in $3 and sparkly. I was like, hey. All right, nextly, I went to Plato's Closet. So I got 4 items, and I've already taken off all the tags and washed them, but I do have my receipt to share with you guys each price. Like, as soon as I got home, I was like, wash, just because they are thrifted items. I wasn't taking any chances. I just threw them right in the wash as soon as I got home, so they're nice and washed and clean. The very first thing I got was very interesting, actually. The brand name of this is Joe Fresh, so I think that's Superstore brand. I could be wrong, but Superstore brand for clothes are actually kind of pricey. This one here was only $9 for this like sweatshirt dress, and it has like these like bleach stains, distressed, I don't know what to call it. And then the sleeves are also a little distressed. I don't know if that's from like wear and tear or if it's supposed to be like that, but regardless, I really, really like that. And I think this is gonna look cute on. It's gonna be a nice like transition to spring, and it'll go really well with the boots I just got. I just said I wasn't gonna talk about that. The next thing I got from there was this little t-shirt. This is gonna look so good with like layering. This was only $7 as well. There is no brand name on this. Oh, H&M. Okay. It's nice and stretchy, look good with some necklaces. Woo! I love like little tees like that where you can layer them up. That will also look so good with this that I just got. I love this. I do not want to get lipstick on it, so I'm kind of like staying away. Oh, beautiful. And it stayed soft in the wash. I was hoping it would, and it did. This is Lily Morgan. I do not know that brand at all. Let's give it a Google. Oh, Giant Tiger. So it's sold at Giant Tiger. So it looks like it's gonna be about $22 to $30-ish for this originally, and I paid $12 for this, and it's really, really soft. It's almost like brand new. On the back here is my favorite part. I probably could separate these if I wanted to a little more to make it look a little bit more dramatic, but you can see that it's like shoelace tied all the way down in this big thick yarn. So cute. This is gonna look adorable in the spring. It's just an overthrow. It doesn't have like a little belt to tie it up or buttons or anything like that, and I love that. Cannot wait. And then the very last thing I got at Plato's was another one of these poncho type things, overthrow cardigan, and this one here was $13. It literally looks like my grandma's doily. If I went to my grandma's house and then just laid across the table drunk and passed out, she would literally be like, oh, my doily's here. Most people, when I come to the door anyway, my doily's here. It washed really well. I was worried about this one too. I didn't dry any of these items just because I was kind of worried about them, and I wanted them to stay with their integrity in place. And this one is Ardennes brand, so that could have been any amount of price, but it was just really, really cute and flowy, and I liked it. I don't have anything like this, so hey, we got some good finds for spring. Okay, so the very last thing in this haul is I placed an order with ColourPop. Look at how beautiful that is. I got some cute items, so I'm gonna go through them quickly with you guys. First thing I got was this. Glitterly obsessed. It's just like a pot of glitter. It looks like this. So gorgeous. Ooh, it smells like formaldehyde, but it looks like this. This is gonna look so cute on the inner corners. Just a little bit of glitter will pop its way into heaven. Pop, 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 said the glitter. That's why I bought it, was for the inner corner, but of course you could use it a little bit on your lips, tip of your nose, all over the lip, on your titty, wherever you want. So I remember when I told you guys my liquid lipsticks were like separating and being a little weird. That's kind of why I ordered some lippies from, not all lippies, but mainly lippies. I got these Luxe Velvet liquid lipsticks. The first one is in Can You Even? Here it is. I thought it was like a lighter nude, honestly, but you know what? It'll still be pretty. It looks like this. I usually try to look on, like, it's hard to buy liquid lipsticks online. I try to like Google them like on other people, like if they're like tagging that they've used this on Instagram and stuff, but it is kind of hard. This next one is Keep It Coy. Ooh, it's like a dusty rose, and she looks like this. Woo! Next I got a Luxe lip oil. I've never heard of this and I wanted to try it. It was intriguing to me. It's called Truth Bomb by... Whoa! Lip oil. This is what it looks like. Interesting. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like sugar. And like, it smells like creme brulee. The last lippy item I got was a lippy pencil. It literally says lippy pencil. I love that. And the shade I got is So Happy. Not to be confused of So Happy. My trademark. Maybe it's supposed to represent a cow or something like that. I don't know. I would never consider this a cow color, but... Maybe there's cows that are this color. There probably is. Yeah, there is. I'm dumb. There's cows this color. Anyway, I like to use a lip liner and then fill it all in, and then sometimes just leave it as that, or sometimes just put some gloss on. Looks really cute. ColourPop is really cheap with their items as well. And then this was just something I threw in at the last minute because I was really curious about it. It is a Cutie Mark face stamp. It is so cute. It has little hearts here. And I don't know, I wanted this. I could put like little heart things here as like freckles and then like dab them out like this, put some powder on top to have like a little bit of cute heart freckles showing, or I could do them at the corner of my eyes, I could do them all over the lid. I don't know. I just wanted this. I thought it was so different. And then when you open it up, this is gonna be hard to focus. Oh geez, I hope I can get that for you. Let's do it on our hand. Maybe that'll be better. Let's see how it goes. So cute. It works real well. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear that. So it's like pretty much like a liquid liner, but a stamp version in a shape. Oh, it looks so cute. Or I have like a natural beauty marker here. I could stamp over it and it could be a heart. So fun for a day. Like makeup, you just take it off. Like, right? Ain't that deep? Dried almost instantly. And there's barely any bleeding in it. So that's good. And then they said, thanks a latte. You're welcome. That was everything in my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I cannot wait for spring, and these items are so cute and they're right up my alley. I was really glad I could show them with you guys, and thank you guys for listening to me and watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye!